With a huge trip ahead of us, there was a lot of prep work to make sure the yacht and crew were ready. Starting in sunny Palma and ending up in the Arctic Circle, this would be a trip to remember. As we set off into the blue water of the Mediterranean, the conditions were just perfect. The first leg was to Gibraltar. 450 miles away, with the following wind we were there in just 3 days. The next leg was from Gibraltar to A Coruña, in northern Spain. "700 miles out into the Atlantic and along the coast of Portugal. As expected, there was more swell and slightly trickier conditions than we'd had in the Med. The yacht took it all in her stride, a true blue water vessel. We picked the window carefully and had a great passage to northern Spain. There was a storm in Biscay, so we waited for better conditions before setting off from A Coruña. Time for a bit of well-needed R&R. From northern Spain, we sailed non-stop to Dublin, 620 miles across Biscay and into the Irish Sea. From Dublin we sailed to Lerwick in the Shetland Islands. "550 miles passing some of the most beautiful coastal areas of Scotland.
Thus approaching the Skye Bridge.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Now that I lost everything to you, you say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving, but if you wanna leave, take good care.
The final leg was from Lerwick to Bodo, just over 600 miles across the North Sea.
Oh, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get back just upon a smile. Oh, baby, it's a wild world.
And that over there is the very northern tip of the Shetlands for the UK.
And it's breaking my heart.
Just after 22:40 at latitude 61 degrees 08 minutes. And dusk has been going on for about 3 hours now. Anyone that likes sunsets, this is the place to come, because they just go on and on and on forever.
And I always remember you like a child girl. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Baby, I love you, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there, but just remember there's a lot of bad and beware. Beware. Oh, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get back just upon a smile.
As we crossed the Arctic Circle, we were joined by a pod of whales, the perfect ending to a fantastic trip.